Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna see new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance training, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report. So we'll try to understand what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. Okay, in last two videos we have discussed about how to find previous month sales and the next month sales based on this selection. So we have seen some kind of problems in the last two videos based on the selection. It means that, for example, if you want find, for example, if I select in the slicer, so month name January means we cannot find previous 3 months sales. Same thing, if I select December means I cannot find next 3 months sales. So to overcome these issues, I have written different logic to get this expected output. Now you can able to see there are two tables and two card visuals, one slicer. So here I have taken month year slicer, not different slices for example like for month one slicer and a year one slicer. So instead of that I am trying to take month year slicer. So now we'll try to see that whether it is correctly working to overcome the issues that are there in the previous videos. Okay, so we'll try to see that. Currently, so I'm selecting 2003 June month. So it means that in the next month, June, July, August, September. In the previous month, so June, May, April, March. For example, if I select July means, okay, so immediately it's changing the code. July, June, May, April, again July, August, September, October. In case if I select 11th means, it means that for the previous month November, October, September, August, when it comes to next month sales, basically these 2 months coming from the 2003 year and the remaining 2 months coming from the 2004. Okay, if you notice here, so I have selected 2003 November month. It means that November and December coming from the 2003 year and January, February coming from the 2004. Again, if I select December month means, now you can see the December is coming from 2003, remaining January, February, March coming from 2004. So it means that it's working. Okay, based on the selection, so it's working. When I click on November means it's coming, and December means it's coming. Same thing if I select January 1st, okay, 2003 January 1st means we'll try to see that. In the previous month we can see that January is coming from the 2003 and the remaining 3 months like December, November, October coming from the 2000. For example, so in case if I select February means, see, January, February coming from the 2003 and the remaining 2 months coming from the December and November 2000. So it's working fine. As for the selection, it's working fine. Even if I did not select anything also, it's coming fine. In the slicer, if I am not selecting anything, it's coming fine. So next month sales, it's not coming. Okay, so that is a valid reason, and previous month sales are coming fine. So basically, if you notice here in my data set, I have sales up to July month only. Okay, so from July month onwards, I am taking back up to 3 months. So it means the June, April, May. So it's giving fine. But next month sales means I have sales up to July only. Next month means August, September, October. So it's not there. So that's why we are getting blank. Okay, so it's working fine. So now we'll try to understand what kind of expressions logic we have written to get this expected output. Okay, so first one is previous month sales. So try to zoom in. Okay, so we'll see step by step. So basically here, so I'm trying to capture what are the value we are selecting in the slicer. So from that I'm trying to take the year. Again same thing, so I'm trying to capture a month number from the slicer. Okay, so again here, so if we did not select anything, basically selected value function returns the alternate result. So that's what I'm doing here is, if the month value is equal to 1000 means, okay, if the month value is equal to 1000 means I'm trying to find the max month number based on the year. Okay, whatever the year we are getting, I'm trying to pass here. So otherwise month value, so I'm returning the if condition. Again here, so I'm validating, it means that with the month number, month demo, it means that this one. Okay, so if it is 1, so I'm trying to return whatever the year we have selected from the month, and again from the previous year I'm trying to get the remaining months like December, November, October. Same thing, if the month number is 2, so I'm writing this condition. Okay, so likewise I'm returning this condition. It's very simple only under ampersand or conditions, nothing else. Okay, so it's very simple. So likewise I'm getting the previous month sales. So same thing, we'll try to see the next month sales also. Click on next month sales. So here also same code only, but a little changes only. So here also I declared a couple of variables, like one is year value. So here also I'm trying to find what is the year value. Okay, again here also month number. So those two values I'm passing as input parameters for the expected output. So here also I'm checking if the month value is 12 means I'm doing some condition. If the month value is 11 means I'm doing some condition. Here month value means a variable name, not month number. Okay, so likewise we have written the condition and it's giving expected output. Okay, it's giving the expected output. So maybe sometimes there are cases we get this kind of requirement, so that's why I have created, and I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.